Welcome to Jack TV, one of the best TV station online on YouTube, on Facebook, on MySpace. Haiti open for business to people that want to invest in Haiti. Haiti ouvert pour business pour tout le monde qui t'a aimé investir en Haiti. Para ahora mismo, Haiti abre por negocio para toda persona que necesita hacer negocio en Haití. Este momento, venga a Haití. Haití abre por negocio. Si que tú necesitas comprar una cosa, dímelo. Haiti is open for business. Haiti open for business. Let's open. This is the door. Haiti is open for business. Let's open the people to the business. We invest in the technology, invest in the education, invest in every single area that need to be invested in Haiti. Let the people of Haiti know that you are welcome. The people of Haiti welcome you to open door business in Haiti. The investment open every single places and every single area. We open door for the people of to open business all country, all over the world. Haiti open for business. Let's do it, people. This is it. Haiti is the best. Open door for business. The people of Haiti need you. This is it. Jack TV, one of the best TV station online. That's it. Haiti, number one. Number one.